welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm currently changing this Mark 7 Ford Transit into a kind of sporty, stealthy style camper van. Now, if you've been following my videos, at the end of the last one, I'd started bringing that cladding down on the bulkhead, and I'm now going to move on and do the ceiling. Right, so I've brought it right up to where the fan is, the extraction fan, and it kind of lines up where it begins, you could say. So what I intend to do, excuse me, what I intend to do is just cut it, this next one from here to there. I'll just leave a gap, because I think it will work. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to grease up this edge. So when I offer it up to this, put it on there like that. Hang on. So when I offer up to this, it should slide in there. Oh, it should just slide in there, no bother. And then we'll be able to get a right good marking of where I need to. See, try to do this with two hands, it's murder. Up to this finger. I'll mark roughly where I need to cut this tubing. Then once it's cut, this bit goes over the top of it. So in essence, I mean, even when I'm cutting the wood, and if it's a little bit rough, I don't think it'll matter too much, because as you can see from here to here, you know, that's going to cover it. So all my sins will be hidden, because I'm not a joiner. I certainly don't claim to be. Right, so the tubing's cut to size. That's been put in. I've drilled a hole for the electrics to go through. And I went and cut the wood. So let's see if all has worked out as I had hoped. Make sure I've got my screws and that ready. Well, you know what? It's not perfect, but as I said, for me, lined up at the back. See, doing this yourself, that's pretty tricky, but it's certainly not impossible. I think it depends on the length of your van. This being a short wheelbase, you know, it's probably a bit more manageable rather than having to deal with 2.5 metre lengths and or whatever else, you know what I mean? But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. There's a wee bit of cutting. I think when I come to do the next length, it'll be just a case of just taking a little half moon out it. Wee half moon shape. Oh yeah, bugger yeah. And then obviously with when this goes on top, that's not bad. Well, to say I'm pleased with that would be an understatement. I had it's been wired up and I've tested it against the battery and it works, so time to crack on with the rest of the ceiling. Happy with that. Well, that's it for this part. Thanks for watching if you've got this far. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Don't have to, but it would be nice. You can keep an eye on how I get on. Still, that last wee bit, you can see behind me. But it's getting a bit dark, I'll just do that tomorrow. But no bad what I get done today. The next one will be, probably I'll show you. I've got my leisure battery, split charge relay, all kind of line roughly. I've also got an outline of where the unit that I'm going to buy is going to go, just so I know roughly where everything's going to be. I'll have a video on how that system works. Oh, I forgot to mention also, added the wee, the trims, to finish it off. Got them in B&Q, they weren't expensive. But yeah, so that's it for this one. So thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.